Hey y'all, welcome to At Home with Chef Jolie. Now if you're true to this and not new to this, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach y'all this simple white wine cream sauce. It is super luscious and easy to make, and that's not it. You can take the same white wine cream sauce and turn it into an Alfredo that's excellent on pasta, and same white wine cream sauce, I'm going to show you how to make a spicy Creole cream sauce that is oh so good on blackened salmon. So let's get started. All right, y'all, let's get started with this white wine cream sauce first. I've already preheated my skillet. Now I'm adding some olive oil. Then I'm gonna add some butter. Very important tip. Always add your olive oil first because it helps the butter not to burn. So after the butter, we're gonna add some fresh minced garlic. Ooh, I can smell it. It's nice and fragrant at this point. So then I want to go in with my white wine and deglaze the pan. So I'm going to take a whisk and we're just going to incorporate the white wine, the butter, the olive oil, the garlic, all that good stuff, and let this reduce by half. That just means if you have a cup of liquid in the pan, you let it simmer until it gets down to half a cup. Okay, so what I'm going to do next probably is a little bit unorthodox, but hey, I like coloring outside the lines. I'm adding my flour, this is all-purpose flour, after I've added the liquid. And the reason that I like to do that is because I love to deglaze my pan with that wine first so it can pick up all those brown bits and all that flavor from the garlic. So when you add the flour after the liquid, you have to take your time and really kind of break up the flour, whisk it really well, and you're pretty much making a roux at this point, but it's not a dark roux because this is a white wine cream sauce. So now here comes the cream. We're adding in our heavy cream, and we're going to continue to take our time and break up that flour, whisk it up real good, and make sure you get it well incorporated into the heavy cream. And you want to get it nice and smooth. So this part probably takes maybe about 3 minutes or so to make sure that you get all those lumps mixed out of the mixture. And we are going to add some chicken stock, but again, we just want to make sure it's smooth, just like this. So here comes the chicken stock. So with the chicken stock, you can add a cup, 2 cups, cup and a half. Really depends on how thick you want your white wine cream sauce to be. Now, I like it thick, honey. So I'm adding about a cup because I want it to be rich and creamy. But if you want it to be a little bit more loose, go ahead and add more chicken stock. It's up to you. Now we got to season it, right? So what else are we going to use other than my seasoning, a Dabadooya? And if you want some, I got the information down in the description. But it is an everyday seasoning that you can use on anything, child. And it's got 40% less salt and sodium than Lowry's, because I know y'all be liking Lowry's. But how about all the flavor with less sodium? It sounds good to me. And look at this. You've got this luscious, bubbly, white wine cream sauce that is so versatile. You can use it on anything. One of the great things to use it on is grilled chicken. Look at that grilled chicken. Delicious. Okay, that white wine cream sauce, we can turn it into many things. Same base, right? Once we've already seasoned it, we're going to add some shredded Parmesan, and it becomes an Alfredo sauce that you can use on pasta and many different things. You can make a pizza, like with a white sauce for pizza with this Alfredo sauce. Keep it real thick and creamy. Use it on pizza, use it on pasta. But look what I'm about to do right now. Once all that cheese is melted, I'm taking the Alfredo to another level. Why? Because I am about to add some pesto. Oh, and I got a recipe I'm going to show y'all shortly on what I use this pesto Alfredo for. Super easy. Now you can make some pesto or you can buy some pesto. I bought some pesto. Go buy some pesto. You're already making the Alfredo from scratch. People are going to be very impressed. there you go. You've got some Alfredo. It started as the white wine cream sauce. We added the cheese and then it became Alfredo. Then we added the pesto and it is a pesto Alfredo. You whisk it all in, let it simmer, let it get all delicious and bubbly. And there you go. Look at it. Oh, I wish that y'all could taste it. Next, we're taking that same white wine cream sauce and now we're gonna turn it into a Cajun cream sauce. So same steps to get to the white wine cream sauce. So before we would have added cheese for the Alfredo, we don't do that part here. Instead, we're gonna add some crushed tomatoes. We're gonna whisk that in really good. And these are canned tomatoes. So with the canned tomatoes, I add those first because I really want that canned tomato taste that you can sometimes taste to really cook out. So add that first. Then right there, what I added was some seafood boil. You know when y'all do your crawfish boil and your crab boils and all that stuff, the seasoning that you buy to put in there, that's what that is. I added that. Now here, I am adding some cayenne pepper because we wanted to have a little heat, a little spice, right? So add that in, whisk it in real good, get it incorporated. Oh, I can taste it. Now what is that I'm adding? Same thing. When you do your crawfish boil and you have that liquid seafood boil, that's what I'm adding. I bet y'all never have thought about using that to season your sauces and what have you. It's a game changer. Game changer. Thank me later. Then I gotta top it off with a little bit more Adabaduya. You know, it wouldn't be right. Because this sauce is full of flavor. So whisking all that in, continuously whisking, scraping the bottom of the pan, making sure you get all the flavor from the pan as well. Now here we go. This, you probably seen this in your mother or your auntie or your grandmother's cabinet and never knew what it was, or if you did, that means you be cooking. But that is kitchen bouquet. It just darkens sauces and gravies, has very little flavor, but I don't want a pink sauce. So I add a little bit of the kitchen bouquet just to give it more of a orange hue. See, I'm going back in with a little bit more because I don't know, that light pink sauce, it don't do it for me. So kitchen bouquet it is. Like I said, it does not really alter the flavor. It's really the color. OMG. Look at that. And you know what this is good on? Blackened salmon. Delicious. I appreciate y'all so much for watching. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel, share my videos, and don't forget to turn on your notifications. All right, see y'all next time.